Well, let's get some legal analysis now. Mpumelelo Zikalala joins us from KwaZulu-Natal, who's going to give us a sense of what we can expect. Pre-trial hearings, Mr. Zikalala, is what the High Court is going to be dealing with today. What exactly does that mean? And will the accused be asked to plead at this stage?
Good morning, Koli, and to your Newzroom Afrika viewers. Certainly, the court is going to look at the housekeeping issues. So they're going to assess how many witnesses does the state have. Has the exchange of documents and statements been engaged in? Are there any requests for further particulars from the defense's case? Are all the accused that are there represented? Do they need legal representation? Have any of them withdrawn, or do they need legal aid? If they so do, then legal aid would be applied. Are there any admissions that are going to be there? The number of days which could be allocated to this trial, so it starts and concluded within the shortest amount of time, will also be assessed. But most importantly, or maybe to add, is the issue of the legal fees of the legal representatives. So you don't want to, at the end of the day, when the trial is about to start, then someone says, I haven't been paid, I won't be able to execute my job. So they want to get sort of do away with all the housekeeping issues at this early stage, so that at the end of the day, when they issue the second date, it starts with the date of the trial. Yeah,
the charges we're talking about here, Mpumelelo Zikalala, corruption, money laundering and fraud. But what is astounding is the amount of these charges that the 22 accused are being tried for, or are going to be tried for, 2,786. What could potentially have gone on here? Explain that to us a bit.
We may see a sophisticated way of handling the tender process, where it is able to be handled from the advertising stage to whoever is being awarded, through the payment stage up until the money gets to the person who is the recipient. And in this case, probably the person alleged to be the accused at this stage. So it is a sophisticated move where everything was orchestrated from the start. The money was channeled. Every single person who is alleged to have been there must have participated in other way or another, either through their offices or through their influence or through aiding or abetting these whole criminal activities to take place. Let's remember, you have the Prevention of Organized Crime Act, which is POCA, which is at play here. You also have the common law principle, or the common law crime of fraud, which is also at play in this case. So it is quite serious. And also the amount of charges that are there will have an impact, if it's indeed proved that they participated in this type of illegal activities, on the sanction that will be there. The minimum sentences definitely are going to apply, and we're looking at more than 10 years for each of the counts that are there. So it may be one of the largest, let's say, white-collar crimes or fraud cases or poker cases that we may have in South Africa to date.
Mpumelelo Zikalala, thank you very much for your analysis. As always, very, very spot on indeed. And as we talk to you, we saw earlier the live visuals in the dock there. There you see the accused. I suspect the judge has just walked in. That's the moment when everybody is asked to stand. And there you see the former eThekwini Mayor, Zandile Gumede, in the dock there alongside the other accused. All 22 of them. I wonder whether all of them are able to fit in that courtroom. We're going to get those details from our reporter, Karinda Jagmohan, when she does get a chance to talk to us.